that lightning bolt.
Oh no.
It went on, then it went off.
Uh-oh. We're bad news bears. What's going on?
The light came on like he said, and then I lost power.
Okay.
And then it's fine now though.
Putter at home.
Putter home.
Putter home, yeah. Yo, I can't believe we made it back, man. How'd it run?
It runs fine if you don't f***ing give her, I guess.
Maybe they just don't give her, yeah. Yeah, it's that throttle body spacer thing.
Yeah.
I bet you when it warmed up, it swelled up and it kind of probably made a good suction.
Yeah.
Because you're running pretty cold technically.
Yeah.
Like you just started, you were giving her, right?
Now it's overheating. Like it's starting to go over now. That
Yeah, just.
it always does that.
Just close it.
I was like, my other car was just faster than this. That's that.
Throttle body that was on, that was causing
there's,
issues.
There's something wrong with it. And he's like, no, there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. I was like, I feel like there's something wrong with it.
Did you get another factory throttle body or a bigger one? Or?
Stock one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brand new? Brand new stock.
So what happened was with his, it had that throttle body spacer. That's what probably that.
Spaces are garbage.
Yeah.
I don't think it's supposed to completely shut, is it? No. Yeah, so that one completely shuts.
Yeah. And that's what happened when it completely shut. It would turn
my engine off.
It would turn your engine off. Twice on the highway picking it up.
No way. It only happened if you gave her though.
Yeah.
So right after I let it off, I guess it was just when the air would stop, it would push the Okay. Can you look it over?
It came from people put them if they have NOS. That's where the NOS ports would go. But that's it.
It's like a huge 300 people getting a huge amount of horsepower. Really, you're getting less.
Yeah. It's not per design, right?
Yeah. It's faster now.
The concept is you're making a wider gap to allow more air.
Yeah.
But it does. That's not how it works.
No.
Oh yeah, you gotta go too, eh?
Get the straight pipe guy going.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did you fix the pipe?
That'll be 2 weeks away.
2 weeks? Yeah. That's not bad.
Is that straight pipe? Got cats. No cats. That's not bad one, right?